Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B with this week's update video on what's going to happen, what's going to be coming your way this week from me. First of all, thanks for some of the kind messages I had regarding me feeling unwell, and hope I get better soon, so thank you for that. I'm feeling much better, which is good. And the key video that's coming out this week is that finally I've got my S10 Plus, and I'll be comparing it to my old Note 9 and giving you not a review per se, you know, because there's 1,000,001 reviews of, you know, the S10 Plus and so on. You've probably seen all those. And you've probably seen a lot of the, you know, what the Note 9 has and hasn't compared to the S10 Plus. Mine is more of a personal view in terms of, you know, when you get your phone, you know, how much more and better it feels, you know, all those sort of slightly intangible things, really, rather than sort of numbers and facts and figures. It's more of a sort of personal opinion as to how we feel when we get a phone. So those are the things. And there's also a key thing in that video, which I think is a key reason for upgrading from the Note 9 to the S10 Plus. So look out for that this week. Should be coming out today or tomorrow. I'll be doing some more calibration videos. I've had probably quite a few more thumbs down than I expected with some of those, and I think part of that is the fact that when I did the calibrations for those, to make it quick for me, I had to take photos of the screens, and then what I've done is I've taken and used the the photos that I took of those settings from those TVs, and then I've sort of superimposed them on a 4K image using Premiere Pro. So it's still, you know, still the settings, and it still looks all right, and it still looks like the menu, and it's still all there, but some people aren't happy about that for some reason. Anyway, I'll be doing more of those. I think I got some Sony ones to sort of knock out this week, and then I will be doing some streaming. I still need to work really hard on this project that I'm involved in and will be involved in for some time to come, probably for a very long time. And there's a lot of learning on my part that I have to get into this noggin. So yeah, so I won't be doing as much streaming, but I think I'll do some streaming on Wednesday night. I think the nights are better for people, and I think we sort of get people on the other side of the pond as well. So I think I'll do some streaming on Wednesday night. As to what it'll be, I don't know yet. I really don't know yet. So that's this week. More calibrations, the review, well, the comparative sort of thoughts on the Note 9 and S10 Plus, some calibrations, which I've already mentioned, and some streaming. So look out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not already. And I'll catch you in the week, during the week. I'll catch you sometime. All right, bye.